Okay, we're going to try doing this standing up. I shall back up. This is my backstrap loom. I like to do it standing up, actually. It's quite nice. Now I need my other yarn, which is going down here. Okay, now I guess we'll have to turn you just a little bit more so you can see properly. Yeah, if it's up high like this, then you don't have to do any bending. So I just put that through there and bring it out to where the other one left off. There we go. And I push it down. Run my little thing down here a little more. Oops, wrong way. Okay. Now, I have to put this through double. You see, because it doesn't have an end here, I put it through once, like so, and then I pull this out, and so I've actually put 2 loads in there. Okay. We'll do that again. Oopsie. Coming apart here. We'll roll it up a little bit more. I wonder if I have a longer stick I could put through this. Well, whatever, no matter. See, as I roll it up, it should stay closer to me. Okay. So now we push our heddle down. And this needs to be just at that spot there. Push our heddle down to make the dark ones come up. And we pull it through like so. And we pull it up and put it through again. And come back out with this. And push it down. And they go the other direction. Now, can you see very well from there? You're pretty far away. I'm going to have to bring you closer. But I can do that. That isn't impossible. This is falling down on the ground. Oh no, my ice. Okay, so we will come over here. Oh dear, you fell down. Fell down, go boom. Oh. It's swinging now. Upside down and everything. Oh dear. Let's try it over here. Let's try putting the tripod down in that corner there. And we'll lower all these legs.